For my dog again. Let's go. Ella. Quickly, buddy. Oh my god, he make pee-pee. Okay. So we're going round again. Today is very nice weather. It's like a summer. He like eating the grass, I don't know. You look like a goat. Hala, quickly. So nice flower, guys. Look. Stop, Hulk. Stop. Make pee again. It's a beautiful day. Ano ba yan? Dami mong ihi. What's that? Buddy, are you okay? Stop. Stop muna kami dito kasi ang layo ng inikot namin. So hiningal ako, hiningal si Hulk. Ayan. Let's go, buddy. Finally, we are near in our house. Oh my god. Hey, let's go. So it's very nice weather, guys. Until tomorrow, it's our day off day. Thank you for watching.